This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Omar Leon, GRI, CIPS. Welcome to this beautifully maintained single-family home with lots of upgrades. New HVAC, air conditioner/heat, system was installed in 2021. Updated kitchen, you don't want to miss this one. It is located minutes from Potomac Mills Mall, dining, I-95, Route 1, Commuter lots, the BRICE, and 10 minutes to Old Town Occoquan. The active date will be on the 11th of June 2021, schedule showing from 12 o'clock noon to 6 o'clock p.m. Also Sunday the 11th of July 2021 from 12 o'clock noon to 6 p.m. For more information, review the details below or contact Omar Leon, GRI, CIPS.